When your new bed has arrived, you should have the following parts: 1 headboard, 1 footboard, 2 divan base sections, 2 side rails, 2 cross rails, 1 centre rail, 4 balls, 8 short bolts screwed into the bed legs, 6 long bolts screwed into the base ends, 2 extra short bolts screwed into the centre of the crossbars, and an Allen key taped to one end of the side rails. Assembling your bed, it is helpful to have a second person to help when attaching the base sections to the bed legs. Lean the headboard against a wall where the bed will sit and do the same for the footboard. Remove all the bolts from the bed legs. Lay out the bed base sections ready for assembly on the floor. Using the long bolts, bolt the 2 crossbars to the side rails, then drop the centre rail into position and bolt in place. Tilt the bed head forward and lift the base section to line up with the appropriate holes, and screw the short bolts into the bed legs. Repeat the procedure for the footboard. Lay each half of the divan sections into the angle frames. Fitting of the bed balls. Take a little time to align the threads carefully and simply screw the bed ball into the top of the bed posts. You can now add your mattress to the bed, and that's it, all done.